I would like your advice on something. Like, what do you think I can? Because I do want it to be a more inclusive like community. What do you think can be done to get more, like, specifically women into investing?
Oh, women into investing. Maybe having more female input. So I know your last podcast was a woman. Loved it. I'm obviously on here now, and just showing definitely more sort of females doing it. I feel like maybe this might be something really strange, but the things that you invest in or men invest in, and maybe sometimes things that we're like, wait, what is that? Like, I don't understand. Maybe more, I don't want to be sexist, but female stocks that
I see.
Oh yeah, like Boohoo. I know Boohoo because a lot of females will know more fashion, maybe beauty. And again, I'm not stereotyping. I know women can be into cars and you know, electronics, but maybe showing the options of stocks that women might be more into, that makes sense to us.
Yeah.
Other than that, I know it's very confusing, so I feel like more financy things maybe are more of a man thing, but you know, investing's for everyone.
Yeah.
Just for them.
Exactly.
It should be more.
I agree.
Wanting to make some money when we sleep and stuff like that.
Yeah.
It's a hard question, but
because like I feel like finance just I feel like loads of people put down the importance of finance until it hits them, and then they realize how important it is. Because like I don't know, like just especially in uni now, I would say so much of stress came from like, you know, just finances. You know, I've seen it make and break relationships. So it's like if people are like just very confident on their own, I feel like that enables them to have better relationships. Because like, you know,
definitely,
if you're fine by yourself, you know, you don't become dependent on any one person. So I feel like it's very important that everyone gets into, not just guys.
No, definitely. We as women, we have to stick together. We need to become these female bosses that everyone says, and this, I feel like, is a way to do it. Let's show the men that we can be, or we are smart with money as well.
But no, you gave me a really good idea. I think I am going to do I think I'll do breakdowns on specific companies, kind of like with what I was going through with you, and I'll just kind of pinpoint, like, guys, while I have just a set amount of subscribers where, like, you know, at the moment, you guys can freely reach out to me if you want me to take you through anything that you don't understand. Honestly, like, I was just speaking to Kyanna, it's like, it makes my day. If I'm having a bad day and someone asks me about a stock related question, you know, I'm in a good mood now. I will literally sit down with you and like take you through like the metrics of a company. That's completely fine. So I think I'm gonna try and do that on YouTube, like specific companies. So I think I'll do like Boohoo, I'll do some like female beauty brands, you know. So just to make it more
things that maybe we understand. So I think that was another tip that I was given, sort of invest in the stuff that you know about.